How to delete all watch later videos from YouTube. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide video, I'll show you the procedure on how to delete all watch later videos from YouTube. In order to do it so, you simply want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. First of all, open up your YouTube application and log in. So here, you want to log into your account, and after you're logged in, you will then be directed to this page. Here, click the profile initials from the bottom right corner of your screen. Next, you actually want to go to the playlist section where you will be able to find watch later videos. So here you have the watch later video. If you actually want to delete it, so you simply want to click on the three dot icon of the particular content that you want to remove, and here you have this option as a delete. So once you do it, so do the same procedure for rest of the other videos or maybe other content, and that's the simplest way you could do it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.